Hala no kaya.
Hindi, nawang kulot sa imo, day. Oh. It's my finished product. Cabbage, carrots, and potato. That's my food today video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Babush. Today I'm going to clean our ref too. I'm going to get all in here. Day ploplo. Tabang itang ka day. Tabang limpyo ka na day. Ipalayas na ti ka day. Ibalik pa juga. Nakalimpyo no? Taysa na. Ikaw maninig punas-punas ani. Ako putang ang pencil. After I put a before I put pencil in here, I put a soap in the rag. Then I punas-punas in here.
Masuk ko pala.
Farmasi.
Nagpapay ka dyan?
Oh, ganyan na.
Musik na, ano sa internet?
Ako ba? Teka, farmasi. Oh. Ito saan mo issue eh? Loading kaya nga, may internet. Ipunta mo na dira kay ako. Manglipyo ako sa ref. Now I put a pencil, a little bit pencil. Kilay mo din mo rin. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to our vlog.
Today's video, they're going to
Welcome to our vlog.
doing makeup. Matt is reaching research how to
eyeshadow?
how to put a shadow.
Pala mo sa paligid. Kasi isa pa mo iputry yan.
Makeup mo din. Napil ka?
Napalit ka dress? Wow! Oh, tingnan ko sa try mo. Kaya kung isa pa mo.
Yeah. It's real life. Now, who has picked up on the fact that the MacBook Pro is sitting right there on the desk where the ladies are doing their makeup and Forrest G is pounding on the top of the laptop or something? Dear Fatima, the reason that I designed that little desk with that little hutch on top is because the MacBook Pro, usually where I left it, sits on top. It sits on top like eye level. And underneath there's a wireless keyboard and a mouse. Okay, so the laptop is always sitting up top. Why? So the kids can't bang on it, the kids can't spill anything on it. It's not used as a cutting board, and therefore it doesn't get damaged. MacBook Pros aren't cheap. And here I am sitting here watching a video with the MacBook Pro sitting on the desktop. I'm not blaming anybody but Fatima, okay? You're in charge. I take that back. everything falls on my head. If the MacBook Pro gets destroyed or something spilled on there, or Force G breaks the screen, it's my fault. I'm the captain of the ship because I didn't properly set the conditions. I take full responsibility. But the frustration is when hey, the laptop belongs up here. It's eye level. It's eye level. You don't gotta look down and strain yourself. It's eye level. Wireless keyboard here. That way if somebody spills something, a wireless keyboard's $100. Not $3,000. But in my absence, the MacBook Pro has migrated down to tabletop level, where it's just taking abuse. These are the frustrations. These are the frustrations of old single dad. I can't say that you'll experience the frustrations, but you put in place simple things like that, little safety mechanisms. Hey, put the laptop up there. It's harder to get destroyed. And it's just sitting right there. And it's probably been sitting there. And you wonder why, like a few videos back, she said something about your MacBook Pro's not working right or something. I don't know what she said. Frustrations. You want real life? How's it get more real than this? Now look, luckily that's my old MacBook Pro. It's not my primary laptop. That's a backup. It's been used and abused. Trust me, I've got the use out of that laptop. It doesn't have any batteries in it anymore because it got used so much and abused. The batteries swelled up, had to rip the batteries out. It's hanging on by a thread, but it's still hanging in there. But if it were up on the top shelf, Fatima, it would hang in there a lot longer. What do I got to do? Velcro the thing? Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll go out today, buy a bunch of damn Velcro, and Velcro the whole top of that little hutch, then Velcro the whole bottom of that MacBook Pro. When I get back, I'm going to Velcro that damn thing there where it's a little bit more difficult for it to migrate down where it's going to get destroyed. I don't know. Am I overreacting? Would you be happy? And again, I'm not blaming the kid. I'm not blaming the ladies. I'm not blaming anybody but Fatima and myself. Maybe some zip ties. Nah, I think I'll blanket that whole thing with Velcro. Anything that's supposed to be on that top shelf so it nothing gets spilled, because a lot of times they'll be eating on that too. Well, there you go. My MacBook Pro's probably got chicken grease, juice, bagaong. There's no telling what's in the keyboard, right? Just sharing with you my frustrations. That's frustrating. Because that's a piece of gear that she needs. It's not a luxury. Okay, that's a piece of gear that we use, and it just doesn't need to be in harm's way. Or one spilled drink, or the child banging on the top cracks the screen. Come on, Fatima. That's okay. I got a great idea. MacBook Pro gets damaged, I just take it out of your house budget in the future. Got to get the money from somewhere. Anyhow, I'll continue to roll the video. I just had to vent, but don't worry. I feel much better now. Talking to you, the viewer out there, is like free therapy for me. No need to pay a therapist. No need to go see a shrink, go to the clinic, lay on a couch. just open up the screen, I start talking, I vent my frustrations, and I'm feeling much better. But I'm only 10 minutes into editing this video. Alright, enough of me griping. Here we go.
Ang ngayon, kay kasi mong kuha mo. No.
Ako man eh.
No. Hala.
Mana, lagi palit sa atin.
Hari, piyang.
Ma!
Alan.
Emotion.
Sige lang, pa-watch ko sa video, be.
Katong dito. Kaigo din si mo, ma?
Hari, pa-watch ko sa video, be.
Lang, ako mga napalit ka sa sunis naman.
Kasi color na ito, murag silver.
Ganyan, silver.
Asa, wala ko dito yan eh.
Baliktad na, Nay!
Bala na. Dala eh.
Ma! Muha, ma!
Hindi ko na bala. Pesagin mo na.
Tarungin mo lang, ah.
Ano wala upload
ako ng palit. My God!
Mas kamu pa na video pag ninyo.
Uy, namanti ba ako ba? Lang, ganun kis garsonis ako napalit lang!
Bahala ka din, oy. Maning kamot kami dirigit lang.
Ha? Kwan pa, make up pa more.
Make up pa more. Tay bayad ani.
Make up pa more.
Angayan ka lang. Diba, manday ko naman like talit sa pagpapa. Huwag ko nagkuha naman.
Ganun, hindi ko kaniti o, tanote. Te!
May pagka brown siya. Sabon.
Walang kapalitig si Nina ni Mama Hakay. Kanang sa tawag ka na. Dapat pa makikig si Nina. Himala kay si Flo guys. Masigay sagit! Kapag ka ni Rick tawag ron, labay ko rin talang din nilagay. Lang limpi. Himala kay si Flo guys. Kaya lang limpi oh. Di ba? Yun ang palayas. Laso ni Mate. Diba ka na? Ang limpyo siya na. Binyuan, mang-binyo na ko. Kaya ba naman ako mang-limpyo? Diba? Good pa more! See? Good ko rin. Ang katong na, ibutang ito. Ang mga plato, ibutang ito dito. Yan na! Yo! Ibutang na dito. Okay, ako, ganinang buntag, nang laba ko. Karoon na nasa kilabhan nun. Ay, kain eh. Ay, ito mahima niyo. Good po mo. Good. Ang hangin ko kayo. Good ko rin. Malaki ito na. Isa di ko na, siksagit. Babo, wapagay pag humanatos man. Ang angkat ba mong di na to siya gitan? Ang sayo buhaton, wapagay minuto na, tawag na. Not yet 1 minute, but to already sleep. Tingnan mo yung shit eh. Meron yung sa gitan yun na to na siya. Kamay naman ang nagroplo eh. Kabutay naman yun. Butay ka mo to. Do. Saka. Good guriday. Good gurin.
Hanggang, di man kuskusong ate.
Kuha mo, limpyo man tako diri niya. Daghan pa mo ko'y trabaho. Ang daghan pa siya trabaho? Ako man gani. Nalimpyo? O gani, limpyohan magita ko ni diri. Kinalasan man ni siya. Big boss, baka naman.
Gawa ni Tino.
Oh, sige ko rin gani. Kaya iubusa. Parang ka na ipahinga ba? Draw.
Kilas na mo eh.
Na, kod ko rin pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Sige pa po. So, Manoy? Napala ka dire. Limpyo mi dire.
Masakit sa kone.
Naumarkod ko rin. Draw.
Wala kita ikuhan, di lagi makuha no.
Ano ba? Gahi ba?
Ay, lagi kayo siya. Ako naman lagi. Tanawa. Buka day. Kuha.
Oo, makuha ka na siya. Kuan lagi tuti ka ng sundok. Utang ginagkuhan dyan. Tubig ako ang kuan. Kapayusa dyan. Pagdali po, plo.
Agan, isyo.
Like, ipakanon lagi ta.
Di ko to kawan mo anak.
Di sa tigas. Tagaan ko. Tagay.
Kamu yun. Kumatur si Biko, kapoy layo kayo.
Si bagong tingin.
Biko, mato si Biko layo kayo.
Batik na ako eh.
I need you like water, like breathless.
Ang lakas ng lutin. Ang tao ay ginawa ko.
Ano, good ay sig tinamaran.
Ikaw pa. Tamaran sa tong duha.
Kuha naman i-delete. Butang paliti lagi ni glue stick te. Kuha raw na glue stick.
Ako padugay basta ani ang plo.
Mana na?
Sabay na! Wudra! Santa, uwi kita ko.
Kuha na lang to. Tubig usa.
Tubig lang usa.
Tubig lang sa... Butay na yung tubig dyan. Lihog ko dyan.
Ana ba? Manubog ka na palihog.
Ano sa basag ko kung wala nung kung way palihog?
So, nanubo.
Wa ko dyan ang ano.
Gania. Palihog ka.
Oo!
Ha?
Uy, namalahihog tawag ko.
Hindi ka mamalihog ang pagingon nga ato ang polisi.
Oh, nasyak na buat.
Oo.
Ganito ba?
Usap ka na, di ba?
Pansikin.
Paniguron na siya, paniguron.
Ano na, balik mo ate.
Finish!
Pati na.
Marcos, I cleaned already. Kano? Clean and dry. Clean and dry. Clean the day, they dry. Clean and some nice. Smells good. Clean and smells good. 400 ha.
Ito itong white screen.
Kanina.
400.
Tugnaw na.
Black eye na. 2 eye na.
Wanon bitaw katag bitaw wa na. Katag bitaw.
Siya lang nagkana.
Doon wang kulot sa imo day. Oh.
Kira lang. Kira natin.
Dura Miss Pia, uy makuyawan mo ko siya. Mukalit man og kuan. Ah!
May lako na po ito.
May ribi, ano lang na yun? Ano na ko ng office ni? Office?
Sa may lipstick na yun.
Singla dayon day. Singla
Wala
day.
nagpink-pink this kilid. Dari lang ko ay.
Singla day siya day kuan day.
Okay,
Manguha na sila.
Mali. Ano?
Mamaso na sila.
Di ba nga ito lang, nasama lang kayo sa resort. Hindi ka rin YouTube video ha?
Yes.
Ano lang, may puti. Nagputi yung
Uy, asikaso kayo sa inyong mama, no?
Thanks to our mom. Wipes ba? Nagputi. Pipiya gabi wipes.
Gasikaso dyan mo sa inyong mama. Kayo mawa.
Di ba mo siya ma-attend?
Sikaso kayo ba sa inyong mama? Ay, ginuhog ko.
Lupot ni? Lupot na oy. Sipag to. Nalagay kag nag-sapyot yung lupot. Sa na sa side view. Na, yan ko ba? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Salamat!
Enjoy mga anak ha!
Hoy, dahil di ka pa nakapasa ha! Supla! Hulo! Dili man ka mukuyog na Ate Madi! Hulo!
Ari na bite!
Sige! Di man ka mukuyog na Ate Madi ay!